In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the font style of your text on your videos using InShot app. So as you can see, I have here text and I want to change the style of this font to a different one. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, the first thing you need to do is to add your text on your video. And if you haven't added, just go ahead and tap on your timeline and then tap on this text. This will expose or give you an option to start writing. Just go ahead and start typing and then your text will appear on your video as you can see here. So once you already have your text here and you want to change the font style, it is simple. Just go ahead and tap on this text, or you can tap it on this timeline here. And from here, tap on this pencil icon here. And when you tap on it, you will see this small and capital A. Tap on it. This will go ahead and expose different font styles that are available for your text. So to change your font style, just go ahead and choose any of these and then it will automatically be changed to. So once you have identified the most appropriate font style that you so wish, go ahead and choose it and then tap on this tick to save your changes like that. And now you are done. You have successfully changed your font style. So that's how you change your font style on videos using InShot app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.